Guys, welcome to Learning Japanese with Marcelo Master Piggy. Nihongo o oboemashou. Now let's learn Japanese together. And this is a series of videos that I'm basically teaching verbs because I think it's very important when you are making sentences and when you're trying to communicate. Of course, learning grammar and everything is important. However, vocabulary is crucial. And so learning verbs and the 4 different types of sentences that you can make, not sentences, but like the forms that you can use the verb is very important to talk in the daily conversation. So in this video, we will be learning the verb SHINU. Okay, so it's an irregular verb, which means when we change to the other 4 formats, it will be a little bit irregular, but it's an important verb to know. Of course, we don't really like the meaning, which is to die, to pass away, or sometimes to perish. But mainly to die. Next video, actually, there is another verb, okay, nakunaru, and that is more, I think, is closer to pass away. So shinu would be more like to die. Okay, so anyway, so let's learn the 4 different forms that we have. So the first one is the jishokei, which is our dictionary form, which is shinu. Okay, so the kanji here is shi, and then the hiragana that changes is nu. Okay, so shinu. So for example, コロナウイルスでたくさんの人が死ぬ。コロナウイルスでたくさんの人が死ぬ。コロナウイルスでたくさんの人が死ぬ。So coronavirus is coronavirus. Okay, so virus we say ウイルス。Okay, and the de in here is the method, how. Okay, so takusan is lots or many. So many people. Takusan no hito is a lot of people. Okay, takusan no hito is good to memorize as a set of words. Takusan no hito ga shinu. So a lot of people are dying, or remember that the dictionary form can also mean the future. We can use it in the future, which in this case would be will die. So a lot of people will die from coronavirus. Okay, so again, the de here, oh my god, is the method, how. So how are people dying because of the coronavirus? Okay, coronavirus de. And next one is our masuke, okay, which basically is the same meaning as above, but it's a polite. You make it polite by being masu, okay? So the way that we are changing the verb is the nu becomes ni, okay? So shinimasu, okay? The sentence I have here is この戦いで死にました。この戦いで死にました。So if you like anime, probably, or manga, probably you heard these words a lot, and shinu, of course, and tatakai. Tatakai means fight, okay? So, kono is this fight. Kono tatakai de, again, how, or, the method, and shinimashita. So, he or she, again, in Japanese, we don't really say the subject, so in this case, we don't know, so probably it's he or she. He died in this fight, okay? Could be you as well if you're talking, after death, or narrating a story. But yeah, この戦いで死にました. You can say 死んでしまいました if you want to express the, unfortunately, he died, Anyway, moving on, next one is our negative form, which is she nanai. So the nu becomes na, and then we add nai, okay? Naike. Shinanai. So for example, the sentence here is shinanai de kudasai. Shinanai de kudasai, which means please don't die. Okay, we already learned that the naike plus the naide kudasai means please don't, blah blah blah. Okay, so in this case it's please don't die. So imagine a situation that, you know, somebody old, elderly, is about to die, and they're like, oh, this is my time, I'm going, you know, and you're saying, oh, please don't go yet, you know, I don't want you to die. That would be the sentence here. Shinanaide kudasai. Shinanaide kudasai. Okay, and the last one, guys, is the imperative form, which is shinde. Okay, so this is a irregular verb, so the nu becomes inde. Okay, shinde. So in this case, it's mada shinde hoshiku nai. So mada is yet. Shinde is die. Ne? And hoshiku nai means I don't want to. So this means like I don't want you to die, or me to die. You know, again, we don't know the subject, but if it's you, it's like I don't want you to die yet. Mada shinde hoshiku nai. Yeah, you don't say for yourself, because if it's for yourself, you say mada shinitaku nai. If you want to say like I don't want to die yet, right? Yeah, so this gotta be like he or she or somebody. Mada shinde hoshiku nai, or a plant or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's more for people. Let's keep real. And again, if you guys are a fan of anime, you know, and manga, probably you have heard this a lot already. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the lesson. Okay, in the next lesson, we'll be talking about the other verb that we have that means to die, to pass away. However, it's a little bit closer to pass away, which is nakunaru. Okay, so when we want to say formally, you know, like for example, we're writing in a newspaper or something, you will say nakunaru more than shinu. You know, shinu is a little bit more casual. But anyway, I will explain that next lesson. So, また次のレッスンまでですね。それでは、バイバイ。